What's up guys, it's Jeff Fong here and welcome to another video. So before we start this vlog, I just want to remind you guys that I have an ongoing giveaway together with Starfinder Optical. Just watch my previous vlog titled Starfinder Top Picks. So we'll be giving away one pair of graded eyewear to 3 lucky winners. So check it out. For this vlog, we're gonna do an unboxing of the new colorway of the Nike Air Max 270 React. For sure, you guys are familiar with the OG colorway, which is the Bauhaus colorway, the one with the green, red, and white texture or color. And what I like about these shoes is, I think it's the first shoes na nag-combine yung React technology and yung Air unit technology of Nike. So the Air Max 270 is I think the first lifestyle Air shoes or Air unit of Nike, and it's combined with the React technology, which is super comfy because I think it's mainly workout shoes. So let's check the box. So here it is. Let's start with the box. So at the front we can see the Air 270. I think this is the normal Air Max box of Nike. And on the right side we can see the size, the colorway, and the barcode over here. At the front we can see Air 270 logo again, and on the left side we can see the Nike logo. And here's what the bottom part of the box looks like. So let's open the box. So we have a letter right here. So it says Dear Jeffrey, the classic Air Max just got better. Introducing the Nike Air Max 270 React, your very own pair of the classic Air Max is equipped with the React foam, Nike's newest technology. We hope you enjoy these shoes. So let's start with the box. As you can see, it has a normal tissue paper over here. Head over to the shoes.
Big slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it.
So I chose this color because I think it's one of the latest colorway of the Nike Air Max 270 React. So let's start with the toe box right here. As you can see, it has an orange accent over here and at the back. And the material used is kinda, what's this? The feel is kinda similar to crepe, I think. And over here we have a translucent or a transparent material similar to the Nike React Element 87, if you guys are familiar with that. And what I like about these translucent or transparent panel is you can wear different socks to change the color or the design or the feel of the shoes. So I'm gonna show you a style later using a colored socks with it. So let's head on over to the lateral part. So for the lateral part, you can see a subtle Nike logo over here, and at the midsole you can see the React foam at the forefoot, and at the heel you can see the 270 Air Max. Now let's head on over to the back part. At the back part you can see a vertical Nike logo over here, and let's check out the tongue. At the tongue it says Air Max 270 React there. It has a blue or teal laces, and I think you have an option to change it to white, and it's included in the box. Then let's check out the sole of the shoes. For me, I like the sole. It's a combination of the React and the Air Max 270. If you guys are familiar with this pattern or this, what's this? Yan. Like this one, these are, I think, the trademark sole of the React shoes, and this one at the heel part, this is the one similar to the Air Max 270. So I think this is a good combination. And then let's check out the insole of the shoes. Based from my research, the sole of the Air Max 273 React shoes is unique and different. So every pair or every colorway has a different insole design. So here's an on-feet preview and style guide for you guys.
I came in, did it like the Porsches coming in. Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB who we running with. Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB who we running with. Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10, yeah.
So for the first look, I want to do a more casual, more everyday look. So let's start with the one I'm wearing right now. So I'm wearing a Nines cap, the Nines beige cap, a washed out blue oversized shirt from Topman, and I'm gonna pair it with a white jogger pants from Bershka. So here's the look.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB who we running with. Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10.
For the second look, let's create a more street, more relaxed look. So I'm gonna wear it with a yellow champion shorts, a long sleeve shirt, a long sleeve the 100 shirt, which I got from the Nines as well, and finish the look with a navy blue beanie from Noah. So here's the look.
Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you ask it. Don't gotta sell him, most Cialis flawless, broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous, what's in since she isn't gorgeous, live my life.
And for the last look, I'm gonna do a more experimental, more creative style for this one. So I'm gonna wear it with a Ben Davis denim cargo workwear pants, and it's oversized. I'm gonna show it to you later. Then a Tommy shirt, Tommy white shirt, and a neon orange beanie from Carhartt. Then finish the look with a yellow socks, because I've mentioned earlier the front and lateral panels of the shoes is transparent or translucent, so you can play around with the colors. So for this look, I chose yellow because I think it's a good combination, the yellow and orange. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So here's the look.
Baby, who we running with? Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah, state your name. Big Ben Dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the Fit Lab on it.
So you can get your own pair of the Nike Air Max 273 at Nike Park, UP Town Center, Ayala, Cebu, Alabang Town Center, Robinsons Ermita, Glorieta, SM Mall of Asia, the Fort, and the Podium. And the retail price of this is $7,645 or roughly around $150. So I think this is a good pair for those who are looking lang ng mga stylish and for those who are looking for an everyday shoes. I think this is good. This is a good choice. And I think they have this in black, blue. I'm not sure if meron pa ng bahaw, so better check out Nike Park stores or go check out their website na lang. So for those who are asking, I think it's a true to size. So if you're a size 10, get a size 10. And yeah, I ordered a size 10 and it fits perfect for me. And that's it for this short vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Please follow me on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am Jeff Ong. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah. Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big dope on flame. I just switched the lane.